If you're using Claude for everything, you're basically paying genius prices for jobs that just need an intern. Every data team has two kinds of work. There are messy problems nobody has solved before. And there are data transformation, SQL scripts, Python processes, and operational workflows that run the same way every time. If you treat those two things the same and use Claude for both, you're wasting money on one of them every time. For that first kind of work, AI is incredible. Give it messy data, ask it to design a transformation, build a new workflow, troubleshoot something broken, explore an idea you haven't seen before. You can accomplish in minutes what used to take days or weeks. But every smart answer costs you something. Because once you've figured out the logic, most of the value comes from running it reliably, not resolving it from scratch every time. That's the difference between probabilistic reasoning and deterministic execution. Once you know what the task is, once it's the same process every time, why are you still paying AI prices to figure it out again? That's where Domo comes in. Claude is great at figuring out what to do. Domo is great at doing it over and over again. If you've got a process that's consuming thousands of tokens every time it runs using Claude, there's a good chance much of that work can move into Domo and run for a fraction of the cost. Instead of paying for expensive reasoning every time, you're paying a predictable operational cost. Connecting data, transforming data with SQL, Python, or Magic ETL, routing information, executing the same sequence of steps every time. Once you've already discovered the process, those things can simply run. And because they're running as defined processes, you know what happened, when it happened, and what it cost. And look, this was never AI versus Domo. Go wild with Claude, especially when you're connected to Domo. Use AI to solve the hard problems. Use it to discover the process. That's money well spent. Then hand the process to Domo to operationalize it day after day at scale without burning unnecessary tokens. Stop paying genius prices for the boring stuff. Explore with AI, execute with Domo.